This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I love being here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, I'm going to go over a new finger picking pattern that works for 4/4 time, as that is the main focus of the lesson series right now. It's going to be great. After I've gone over it and we've worked on it a little bit together, then we'll get to jam on a couple songs using this finger picking pattern. And when I say jam, of course, I mean you, me, and the band. So we'll be playing this finger picking pattern right along with the band track that has been created for the songs that we'll be playing. So it's going to be great. This video does accompany Lesson 10 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. We'll be starting on pages 64 and 65 in the book. This is finger picking pattern number 7 from page 64. Okay, per our usual, we'll start out by learning this pattern with the E minor chord because we don't have to worry about the left hand at all. So our thumb will pluck the low 6th string, as that's the bass note of this chord, and then index will of course pluck the 3rd string, middle the 2nd, and ring will pluck that high string, and we have P, M, I, M, A, M, I, M, or thumb, middle, index, middle, ring, middle, index, middle. So it's a little demonstration. I'll play it just a little bit faster, so I'd have ready and of course, you can practice that as much as you need to just with that E minor chord, just like that. Once you've got that down, it's great to start working it through some chord progressions, like the ones there on page 65. Numbers 1 through 7 are great progressions to work on these finger picking patterns with. We're going to be using number 2. The first song that we'll be playing uses the chord progression of number 2 there on page 65. Because we're going to be playing in the key of A with the songs that we're playing a lot with A, D, and E7. So once you've kind of got it down with that E minor chord, it's great to start practicing it with a little chord progression. So we'll go ahead and practice it just using the A chord once, the D chord once, the E7 once, and then coming back to the A. Incidentally, when we're playing with a finger picking pattern like we are with our fingers on those top strings, the E chord versus E7 is going to sound the same. We're not plucking the open 4th string, which would give us that E7 sound. So it really doesn't matter technically if you play the E chord or the E7. But E7's written there, so I'm going to go ahead and finger that one, as that one will be in the songs that we're playing. So we've got A, D, E7, and A. We'll insert this finger picking pattern once per chord. We'll go 1 and 2 and ready and go and I can take it a little bit faster, so we have 1 and 2 and ready and go and like that. And once we've got that happen, then we're ready to play the songs. Now, I didn't mention which notes to pluck with the thumb, which strings to pluck for those chords. And that's something that you're probably starting to get used to as we've been doing some of these finger picking patterns. But just in review, for that A chord, we use the open A string, which is the 5th string. For the D chord, we use the open 4th string, which is a D. And then for the E7 or the E chord, we use that open 6th string, which is an E. So that's the one that our thumb will pluck for that first note that we play there with our thumb. Okay, so each one of these songs is going to happen at 2 different tempos, a slower tempo and a faster tempo. We're start off with a song that uses number 2 there on page 65. Starts with the A chord. Then we're going to go over to page 28 and do number 1, Midnight Special. So those are the 2 songs. Of course, that'll appear up here on the board, so you'll be able to know what page and what number we're doing on that page. It's going to be great. Let's go ahead and jam together. Okay, fantastic. I hope you are having fun with this. Of course, as we continue with the videos that go with lesson 10, we're going to keep on working our way through these fingerpicking patterns. So in the next video, we'll be looking at fingerpicking pattern number 8. It's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.